Hey, it's T here at WarHorse Harley-Davidson. It's December and Christmas is right around the corner. We just hosted the annual Escorted Ride Hog Toy Run. Check out this recap video to see what you missed. On Saturday, December 14th, we will have a Scrub and Grub. This event is in honor of Chuck Sewell, our friend and employee that we recently lost. We will be having the Hogtown Slayers Band playing live music from 12 to 4, along with Cutie's Bike Wash and a free cookout while supplies last. All donations will go to the family of Chuck. On Sunday, December 15th, we will have our Swap Meet Sunday from 9 to 2. Gates will open at 8 a.m. to set up. We will have food available by JR's Barbecue, along with live music with Kareem and Ecliff. Remember, we have the best prices and the largest new and used inventory in Florida, so let's check in with sales and see what featured inventory we have this week. Ariel HD, take it away.
Hey guys, Ariel HD here at WarHorse Harley-Davidson in Ocala. I'm going to show you this 2007 Deluxe we just got in. Beautiful color, and it comes with a few features. It's got the Reinhardt slip-ons. It has the 4-point docking hardware with luggage rack and is set up for 2-up. Also, it comes with highway pegs. This bike has 25,000 miles on it, and its price to move is $67.99. $67.99. Don't miss out, guys. You know what to do. Pick up the phone, give us a call, tell us what day, and pick your time, because you know we're always ready to ride. Hey guys, Ariel HD here at WarHorse Harley-Davidson in Ocala. Check it. I got a 2018 Road Glide Special backed by the Milwaukee 8107. This bike has a few features for you guys. It has the Audio Stage 2 Harley-Davidson upgrade. It's got the 4-point docking hardware, and this baby's got some gorgeous 14-inch custom bars on it. It's got less than 15,000 easy miles, and we have a price move at $20,999, guys. That's right, $20,999. So come in and check out these bars and see what else we have available for you guys. You know what to do. Pick up the phone, tell us what day, pick your time, because you know we're always ready to ride.
Don't forget to come by and see the entire inventory in person. Now let's check in with MotorClothes to see what they're featuring. Here in MotorClothes, we are celebrating the 12 Days of Christmas countdown. You must check in at the store to see what items we are featuring that day. To kick off the 12 days, we are starting off with 25% off all Christmas ornaments and collectibles available Friday the 13th only. So be sure to stop by and find out what we have for you all the way through Christmas. WarHorse Harley-Davidson is the place to shop for all your holiday needs. Looks like we've got something for everyone. Let's take a minute and welcome all the new owners to the WarHorse family. Make sure you come out this weekend and get your bike washed and listen to some live music. See you here this weekend.